Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a stick puppet using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a few craft sticks, some paper, a pair of scissors, and reliable glue. Don't forget your favorite markers or crayons to bring your character to life with vibrant colors. You can also add fun embellishments like glitter or small fabric pieces to make your puppet truly unique and expressive. Let's get started with the creative process. Now it's time to design your puppet. On a piece of paper, draw your character. Aim for a size of about 4 to 6 inches tall so it's easy to handle. Use bold lines and bright colors to make your puppet stand out and capture attention. Once your drawing is complete, carefully cut out your character. Take your time to ensure smooth edges, as this will give your puppet a polished and professional look. This step is where your imagination truly shines. With your character cut out, let's assemble your stick puppet. Take one craft stick and apply a small amount of glue to one end. Next, carefully press the back of your paper character onto the glued end of the stick. Make sure it's centered and straight. Hold it firmly in place for about 30 seconds to allow the glue to set properly. This ensures your puppet is securely attached and ready for action. You're almost done creating your fantastic new friend. Congratulations, your stick puppet is complete. Before you start playing, let your puppet dry completely for at least 15 minutes to ensure everything is securely bonded. Once dry, it's time for the fun to begin. Use your new puppet to create exciting stories, put on a mini-show for friends and family, or simply enjoy imaginative play. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your creative space. Enjoy your amazing new creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.